Alright, so this is like a part 2 from the other video where I created a script for leader stats. You can see that here, it's very simple. And now I'm going to show you how to actually increase it, okay? Now, to do this you need to implement a part, okay? So you can go to Workspace, add a part, and then I've already done it here, and you can just kind of edit it as much as you want. And you can change its properties, so I could change its color to green, alright? And then I could change it so it casts a shadow and all that. So yeah, you can mess around if you want to. But in this part, add a script. Now you can call the script you can call it whatever. I'm just gonna call it cash give script. But you can call it whatever, right? By the way, this will only work if you have the leader stat script like already implemented, and if it's pretty much the same, okay? So if I open up the script, then here it is. So you can copy all of this. I'll link the script in the description, so like you can just copy all of it. And I'll show you what you can edit to change how it works. So here, well, the first part is probably here, okay? The isTouched. I use isTouched, it just makes it much easier for me since I don't know if debounce would work with a normal script. So I'm just going to use isTouched, but basically it's kind of like cooldown, okay? And you can set that to true if you want to, but I highly recommend false so that you can use it and then wait, okay? Next is probably here. You can change that, but again I recommend keeping the same, just in case. And you don't really need this, but it's an extra kind of like safety measure, I guess you could say. Here it's here, okay, you can actually you'll change this to whatever your leader stats name is. So if I quickly just run the game, okay. Alright. Okay, no, I need to actually play the game, not run it. So if I were to play it, in players, here we go, and me, you'll find leader stats. You change it in the script. So if it were like cash thing, then you would change it to cash thing, and this to whatever your cash name is. It has to be the in-game name, not the variable name in the script. And you can change how much you will get here. So like you could get 5, alright? And then here you'll change the cooldown. So you can change it to 1 cooldown. So like every 1 second when you touch it, you can get it. And then you have to wait another second, you can get it again, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it, okay? The script's very simple. I didn't bother writing the script as I go since I don't really know how to do much of that. So I'm gonna quickly just test it out and show you how it actually goddamn works. So if I were to touch this, mind if there's any errors because it does work. Oh, okay, I forgot to anchor it, but yeah, as you can see, it works. These errors happen because I think the leader stats is created like just before you can actually touch it, so it might cause a bit of a lag spike. Sorry if that happens. I think just adding a wait will fix it. Let me try that. So when is that? It's line 8. So we just add a wait here. Let's do wait 3. Why not? Alright, that should fix it. So I don't know. Oh. I haven't really explored much, but okay, that looks to fix it a bit. Yep, but it just gives you a ton of cash. So yeah, don't do that. But yeah, that's kind of the script. This is like kind of like touch one. You have to actually touch it. But yeah, that's all you need to do. And I think I'll see you like, I don't know, literally 5 minutes or something. But yeah, see ya.